morning, everybody. Hope you guys are all doing great today. It's been a little while since I made the video and I am on my way. So my plan was that I wanted to make a video on flipping Pokemon cards, right? Pokemon cards. And it's crazy because like the whole market for all this kind of stuff is like risen up and everything, and I've made probably a solid $2,000 or $3,000 out of all the Pokemon sales that I've accumulated. Another way that I wanted to share with you guys today is that I wanted to show you that there is a way to make money. Right now, let's just say you're in debt and you got to pay some credit cards. There's a lot of things around your house that is still worth a lot of money, because anybody can do it, right? If you got like stuff laying around, old baseball cards, Pokemon cards, look it up, eBay. Yeah, sure, you're gonna pay a fee and all that such, but overall, like what you can get out of it is like get out money, and in that way it does help pay for your debts and everything, right? I'm literally sending off one of a package right now that I have over to one of the person that I just made sales for. But that's just realizing that yes, I had a product in my house that is worth some money, right? And then this time I made $700 from one particular Pokemon card, which is wow, sweet. I love it. And it does pay for my courses, for my real estate courses, which is amazing. It's kind of cool because I get to go and say that I made Pokemon sales and it paid for my real estate license, which is kind of neat. I like that. Anyways, I want to talk a little bit more about that. I'm just gonna run inside and then we're gonna go make this delivery as well too, okay? So you have the package. Hi, how's it going? Yeah. So yeah, just setting up my package over there. Closed. So yeah, that was nice, easy, and painless. Really like how that was, and like I said, like that was such an easy $700 for one Pokemon card. It was wild to kind of see that. The prices of like Pokemon have gone up, and it doesn't have to be with anything, but like it just be like, I just gonna look around your house to see what's worth money, right? And then go and flip that if you need the cash or whatever it is. But if you do it enough times, you can actually make a profit out of it. It's crazy. So I should talk a little bit about like how it all works. You can either use, like for Canada, we have Kijiji. You can use that. You can sell like used products. A lot of people are using Facebook marketplaces nowadays. Let's just sell whatever it is, anything, right? Like if you keep up the hustle, the grind, and then if you're really desperate for money, you can actually get very like resourceful. I think that's important. I think a lot of people don't realize how resourceful they can be. And I learned that the hard way, just because like I've just been being pushed back against the wall and a lot of debt, and just trying to figure out how I can pay everything back, and it just takes one step at a time. That's important. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. I should go over the business model as well too, in case you guys ever was curious to how to like sell Pokemon cards or whatever. But yeah, it's really exciting to kind of like see that, and a lot of my childhood and a lot of the cards that I have and kept that are worth some money. If someone's willing to pay, why not? Like I said, for one Pokemon card it was like $700. That's wild to think about. Anyways, I'll see you guys. I gotta go get some coffee, I'm gonna go study, and then life is gonna be good.
A few moments later.
What's going on, guys? Well, I thought I'd switch up environments a little bit just because like I'm always doing these videos in my car or at home or whatever it is. I thought I'd just stand out here with my free coffee. I got a free coffee at A&W. They're having a promotion, so giving away free coffee. I'm like, why not? And I wanted to explain with you guys like that being resourceful is a Tony Robbins mentality as well too. Like, you know, there's one story that he actually said that it's not that people like lack the knowledge or anything like that, it's that people lack the resourcefulness. And I think that's so important, because like at home, I'm sure everybody has things at home that it's worth some money. They're in debt. Figure it out. Like you guys can like figure it out. You guys could go and put it up on Facebook Marketplace, right? And then go and sell the products and make the money and pay back your bills. It's actually pretty interesting. Like I said, lately I've been trying to make these videos about selling Pokemon cards, but the thing is like it wasn't very consistent. I would get like spurts of like a couple $100 here and there, and the thing is really cool because like it's very interesting. That card, I'll put it up on the right here. It's actually a Lugia card, and I actually bought that card for about $30, and then I went to go grade it. You can grade these cards out of 1 out of 10 10 being the most very like mint condition card, and then anything below that, right, it goes down and trickles down. So mine was actually a PSA 8. It's a company that actually grades these cards. So I went to go grade it for about 30 bucks. So actually it's about $60 that I spent, right, to go and grade this card, but I actually sold it for $700, which is amazing because like I made a profit out of it, and at the end of the day it's all going towards paying for my schooling, paying for my all that, and I'm sure that a lot of people can figure out these resources as well too. Like right now, like I'm actually in the works of looking around for on eBay, Facebook and everything, and trying to go buy all these products, because like I said, I got inspired by watching some of the videos and some of the arbitrage, right, people like working on selling products. It could be like shoes flipping on anything like that. You can, Reezy Resales is quite interesting because he went to go buy shoes from Marshalls and Winners and all these different things, and then he flips it and sells it on Amazon or eBay, which is freaking awesome. Like, it's so interesting. He buys it all and he makes like 15 bucks here and there, and could really add up really quickly. I like that, and I love that resourcefulness. I'm sure, I feel like a lot of people don't realize how powerful they are until they realize that once they kind of break that mold and then go and do that, right? So it's very, very interesting, and I wanted to share with you guys that little story because like it's just so important. I want to share with whatever knowledge that I can give you, so that way you can go and pull yourself out of debt as well too, and you can go and build whatever you want to build and work towards whatever you want to work towards. Remember, anyways guys, so I'm gonna go and end this right now. Remember to like, share, subscribe and everything. I'm getting a little chilly. It is still cold in Canada. I will see you guys later. Take care.